Welcome to our channel Best Buy Industrial and Scientific Products. Product details: name: Siglent SDS1104X E 100 MHz digital oscilloscope, 4 channels, standard decoder. Product features: 1. 100 MHz, 4 channels, 1 GSA/UART, 1 MPTS FFT. 2. Standard decoder, SPIT UART/RS232, CAN, LIN. 3. 16 digital channels, MSO, 4-channel series only, option. 4. USB AWG module, 4-channel series only, option. 5. USB Wi-Fi adapter, 4-channel series only, option. 6. Note: refer user guide included along with the product before use. Key features: 1. Mathco processor speeds, front panel operation. 2. Waveform capture rate up to 100,000 WFM, normal mode, and 400,000 WFM, sequence mode. 3. Low background noise and 500 μV, div to 10V, div voltage scales. 4. Serial decoding is free and includes IC, SPI, UART, CAN, and LIN. 5. On-screen Bode plot and web browser control, standard on 4-channel only. 6. Wi-Fi control, optional on 4-channel only. 7. True measurement and math, can use all 14 MPTS of memory. 8. Large 7-inch TFT LCD display with 800 x 480 resolution. Gate and zoom measurement. Through gate and zoom measurement, the user can specify an arbitrary interval of waveform data analysis and statistics. This helps avoid measurement errors that can be caused by invalid or extraneous data, greatly enhancing the measurement's validity.